Hello my fellow learners, welcome to the Syntax Surfers. In this video, we are going to start C programming from very basic. And if you are new to coding or a first year student, this video is totally beneficial for you. So the key points in this video are: firstly, we will discuss what is C, then why we need to learn C, and most important, how can we learn C. Starting with the first topic, what is C? It is a programming language. As we know कि जो भी एक कंप्यूटर होता है वो प्रोग्राम्स के बिना कुछ भी नहीं है. उसके अंदर सॉफ्टवेयर है, जो सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर, एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर, everything is a program and we need to write programs. And how can we do it? We can do it by the help of various programming languages. And C is the mother of all other language. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie around 1972. So, Dennis Ritchie wanted to develop an operating system named Linux, and he used this C language to develop it. Firstly, he created C. C आज भी बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है एंड द रीज़न इज़ वो बहुत पोर्टेबल है और वो मतलब लो लेवल भी है और हाई लेवल भी है. मतलब इट इज़ अ मिडल लेवल लैंग्वेज. एंड what is a low level language, high level language and middle level language, we will discuss it now. So here is why we need to learn C, why it is so important in today's era when we have C++, Java, Python, so many languages, because it's a middle level language. So now let's discuss what do we mean by this term. So it's a combination of low and high level language. It has the qualities and benefits of both. So let's discuss their difference. Low level language is closer to machine code, while high level language is abstracted from machine code. Machine code, we all know, it is binary code like 0, 1, but we human are not able to understand this very well. So machine code is much complex, and the language that are close to machine code are also somewhat difficult to understand, while high level languages are easier to understand. And similarly जो C है वो भी बहुत easy to understand language है. इसलिए हम सबसे पहले C से ही स्टार्ट करते हैं जब हम प्रोग्रामिंग सीखते हैं मोस्टली. सो जो लो लेवल लैंग्वेज है उसका बेनिफिट ये होता है कि वो मतलब हम डायरेक्टली हार्डवेयर में मैनिपुलेट कर सकते हैं. लेकिन जो हाई लेवल लैंग्वेजेस होती हैं उनके लिए हमें कंपाइलर की नीड पड़ती है. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द पॉइंट मशीन डिपेंडेंट. The assembly language is highly machine oriented, and machine code, we write machine code according to the number of bits which is dependent on the machine. We are using which processor and how many bits it requires. So in machine code, like we want to write a plus b. In a plus b we will write the opcode. Opcode means जो अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर हमने यूज़ किया है उसके लिए हम एक कोड लिखेंगे जो भी उसमें डिफ़ाइन होता है वो लैंग्वेज में. एंड देन द ऑपरेंड्स, ए को हम लिखेंगे मशीन कोड में, बी को लिखेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट्स. एंड असेंबली लैंग्वेज इज़ समवट सिमिलर टू इट, बिकॉज उसमें हम प्लस को लिखते हैं एड ADD, then we will write the operands accordingly. So वो भी मशीन पे ही डिपेंडेंट हो गया एक तरीके से. लेकिन जो हाई लेवल लैंग्वेजेस होती हैं उसके अंदर हम डायरेक्टली ऑपरेटर का यूज़ कर सकते हैं और वो ह्यूमंस के लिए बेटर होता है अंडरस्टैंडिंग में. वी कैन अज्यूम कि वहाँ पर हमने कोड लिखा है तो वो क्यों यूज़ किया है. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस द पॉइंट मैनुअल मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट वर्सेस ऑटोमेटिक मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट. When we use some variable in our code, we give it some memory space according to our requirements, but sometimes we are not able to fully use it, so we need to delocate the memory. In low level languages it is done by the programmer, while in high level languages it is done automatically. So it is drawback of such low level languages. And in C we also need to manually manage the memory with the help of some functions. We will discuss them later. Now let's come to the point, what's the difference between an assembler and a compiler? So when we use assembly language, we need an assembler. It is also a software which converts the assembly language into the machine code. While when we use high level languages, we need to use a compiler or an interpreter to convert it into the binary code. Compiler converts the whole program at once, while interpreter converts the code line by line into the machine code. Coming to the features of C. So by now we have understood that C is a very simple and easy to use language for beginners. It is portable, as it can be ported from one machine to another without doing much variations. It has the combined benefits of low and high level languages, as we discussed. Now, what we will learn in C. Basically, C contains operators, data types. We can store various type of data. It contains basically 32 keywords which are present in the standard libraries of the C. It contains character set, tokens, constants, variables, functions, arrays, structure, union, various terms we will discuss. It is used in creating graphic programs and system softwares. There are various application software too which are created with the help of C. Example is MySQL. Now coming to the last topic of video, it's how can we learn C? So we are going to learn C. Firstly, we will start with the basic term which we discussed earlier. Then we had to practice some basic problems like how to create a calculator and using if-else statements, etc. And we can do it in various applications. I will prefer Turbo C++. And then we will discuss functions related to C, arrays and pointers, memory management, as I told you, manual memory management, and file handling. And then we will come to the advanced topics in C, and you can also join some coding community for better understanding and practice, as practice makes a man perfect. If I helped you a little bit, you can subscribe to my channel to motivate me, and drop your suggestions and feedback in the comment section.